So over here you can see that I have an image, and let's say I want to take the colors of this particular image and then create color palettes out of it. So to do that, I'm going to go around onto window right here, and then I'm going to go around over here onto Dockers, and then let me just go ahead and access out the palettes from over here. So let me just go ahead and access out the palettes, and this is what you have right here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select out this palette right here, and then I'm going to click on the plus button, and I'm going to go ahead and choose this. So here you can see that I have an option called New Palette from Selected Objects. So if I were to go ahead and select this, then what actually happens is that it prompts me to save the color palette. So I'm just going to go around and say Nature Palette right here as the name, and I'm going to go ahead and save it. And now you can see that it actually detected the colors from this particular image, and you can choose the number right here, and you can increase the number as you like right here. Then it'll take the average colors used in this image right here, so you can go and increase out the number right here just like this, and then you get the color palette right here. So let's just go around onto 18. Let's say for example, then you got 18 color right here. If I were to go ahead and press OK, then you can see the 18 color palettes right here, which is based off of this particular image. So that is how you can go ahead and create out color palettes from the image selection inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.